Hey guys, it's Casey Storm Girl here. So we're out in this winter wonderland storm that we're supposed to be getting. It's looking like the roads are okay right now. It's 5:11 in the evening. It was sleeting earlier around 2, and then it stopped around like 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and started icing up a bit. But then the roads started to melt due to the salt that they're putting out on the roads. Thank you to them. So we're just going to keep our eyes out. I've been listening to the scanners, and there's talking about cops getting into ditches, cars going into ditches, ambulances getting stuck and not being able to get to their destinations. Highways right now, I-70 looks like a nightmare. When I just passed it, people are driving like maniacs. So I'm not quite sure how the roads are there. But I suggest, if you really have to get out, do so now before it starts snowing, because it's going to turn from rain to freezing rain to snow, and the roads are going to start getting worse. I'm not quite sure around what time that will be, but from what I'm hearing on the scanners and my radar, it looks like it's going to start happening here in about 2-3 hours. So about 7-8 o'clock tonight, it's going to start snowing, and the roads should start getting iced up again. And don't you just love this type of year? They're talking about 8 to 10 inches. No, 3 to 10 inches of snow here in Kansas City. So please be safe. Whatever you have to do, do it now. Stay at home if you don't need to go out.